Right now, the Bitcoin bull flag is breaking out, and in this exact video, I will be talking about this Bitcoin bull flag breakout price target. I will be talking about this important range. I will be going over this important break of resistance. The resistance that we're currently running in towards my trade that is more than 36,000 US dollars in profit right now, and much more important signals that are currently flashing on the price chart of Bitcoin. So don't forget to watch this video till the end. And yesterday our prediction has been perfectly, so can we smash it up to 500 likes today? That will be absolutely incredible. And with that being said, let me jump straight away in towards the content. And once looking at the Bitcoin price action on that 30-minute time frame, you can see exactly right here, on the moment we did broke above this important level, that 21.4k range, we confirmed the break above. That was straight away the point where we saw that continuation towards the upside. We broke above the range, and straight away we saw a movement towards the upside happening. And like we've been saying for, of course, the past 6 days here, basically the whole time we've been consolidating in this range, as soon as we do break above the top side of resistance or the lower side of support, that is the point where we can start to see that next big move happening for Bitcoin. And like we have said, we broke above the top side, and straight away we saw that movement towards the upside. Then on the 4-hourly time frame, Bitcoin is currently breaking out towards the upside. We talked about, of course, this hidden bullish divergence that we were creating, and right now as well we confirmed the bullish breakout of the bull flag for Bitcoin. You could also look at this as a cup and handle scenario, and the cup and handle scenario is also currently officially breaking bullish. But however, I will right now look at it as a bull flag. The bull flag also has got a smaller price target towards the upside, so it's a little bit more conservative. And if I am going to be looking at the price target of the bull flag, it is somewhere around 25.5k. So make sure that you get ready, because it looks to be that this could be just the beginning of this next big move for Bitcoin. So things are looking quite exciting for Bitcoin right now. Here we broke out of the bullish flag here. We are moving towards the upside, and we're right now halfway through towards that bullish bias target. And like you can see, after we confirmed the bullish breakout on the 4-hourly time frame, like I tweeted about yesterday, we already moved up like 5 to 6% here. So if you longed over there, congratulations. And from this point onwards towards the price target, it could be another 12% move towards the upside. Looking at the 4-hourly time frame, we're once again going overbought. We are currently creating a bearish divergence. This is of course a sign of worry. However, like we have discussed the last time around in the previous bear market, we also saw that Bitcoin was of course extremely overbought for a long period amount of time, and also created many of these bearish divergences. However, it still managed to move up towards the upside even more. So make sure to be on alert about that one. Then also talking about the range high, right now Bitcoin, in my opinion, is officially really flipping bullish after we confirmed a break above that $22,000. Of course, you can see this was the previous high in the market. You can also approach on the daily time frame. This was clearly the previous high in the market, and right now we absolutely smashed it. We broke above the previous high, shifting the structure towards an uptrend right now for Bitcoin. We've been forming higher lows, and right now also officially a higher high on the daily time frame and also on the 4-hourly time frame for Bitcoin. So things are definitely shaping up for Bitcoin. Things are looking good. And then looking at like, where is the next big level of resistance? I mean, we've been exactly predicting it. We have been saying as soon as we break above 21.4k, the next resistance is 22.7k. We've said this several times before in our previous videos, so make sure to subscribe to the channel right now to stay exactly up to date, because this is also exactly the level where we got stopped out. And the reason why I said this level is, look at this. In the past, we got rejected by it right here. This is another swing high in the market, and also provided a lot of support. And looking in at the daily time frame, you can clearly see that this level is an important level to break above as well, right? The 22.7, 22.8k is an important level for Bitcoin to be breaking above. And if we confirm the break above this level, what is realistically speaking the next level of resistance? It's going to be this top side right here. It's going to be somewhere around 25.4k to $25,000. That's going to be the next resistance. So if we break above this level as well, the next target for Bitcoin is going to be another time significantly towards the upside, and that's going to be another jump of around 11 to 12%. So Bitcoin heating up. It's doing an extremely good job here, and if we break above this level, then we're going to see another 12% move here. And like I said, once we break above this level, we could see another 6% move, and it's exactly played out like we've been predicting. So this is the next move for Bitcoin if we confirm the break above 22.8k, and I would preferably want to see a break above 23 $3,000. If we break above that level, then I'm expecting 25k is going to be happening very quickly. Then looking at my trade, currently long on Bitcoin, I was willing to add more margin towards my trade on $19,000. Unfortunately, I've not been able to do so, so I canceled my order right now here for everyone who wants to stay up to date about my trades. This is very important. Currently in a profit of about $36,000 US, and like I said, this is a swing trade. I'm planning to hold this trade open for a very long period amount of time because I am willing to catch the next big bull run for Bitcoin, and I honestly think the next bull run could definitely come within 1 to 2 years, so I am willing to keep this trade open to make a significant amount of money from this exact position right here. So this is what I'm currently doing here. I'm going to be keep on buying more and more and more Bitcoin along the way up here, and also with my trade, I'm trying to keep it open. I'm going to take some more profits along the way up here, but currently it's only in a $36,000 US profit, and this trade, if Bitcoin goes up to 50k or 60k, it could be worth like $500,000 to $700,000. So this is going to be a legendary trade here. I'm going to keep it open. I'm going to show everything to everyone out there on the channel, so make sure to stay on high alert about that one. And if you're interested in trading yourself, I've showed my profits and I also showed my losses, because this trade was in a loss for like 2 weeks and I showed it every day on YouTube. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, and if you're interested in trading yourself, if you right now sign up an account on Bybit, you can right now get a $30,000 US deposit bonus, and it could help you massively to create also a swing trade position. I think swing trading is the best way to make money right now. Like you can see, I made like $36,000 and it was an extremely low risk trade. And that is exactly the way how you should trade it. You should trade with low risk, high reward. And that is exactly what I've been doing. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now. And then I will show you all my next trades as well in the future. And yeah, get that deposit bonus if you're interested in trading. If you're living in the US, you can also use BitGet, because BitGet allows you to trade from the US without VPN and without KYC. So check it out right now here. Furthermore, looking then at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, we are currently, we ran actually in towards that daily time frame resistance. Like you can see here, this is the all-time of Bitcoin. We moved down here, we got rejected right here, and right now we're approaching this level yet again here. And like you can see, we officially confirmed the break above this important downward sloping resistance line for Bitcoin on the daily time frame. And right now, yeah, what is going to be next for Bitcoin? I mean, we broke key levels of resistance. We broke above the previous swing high, and right now as well, above this important downward sloping resistance line that has been around for an approximately 434 days. And then also looking at the 2-day time frame for Bitcoin on the EMA ribbon, we can also see that for the first time ever in an approximately 400 days here, we have been seeing the 2-day EMA ribbon cross also bullish. And like you can see, every single time the 2-day EMA ribbon flips, it means that it is a good trend direction in general. Here we flipped, and of course we had that significant bull run. Here we flip bearish, we had that significant crash. Here we flip bullish, we went to a new all-time high. Here we cross bearish, we move towards the downside, also etc, etc, etc. So the 2-day EMA ribbon has been extremely right in the past of Bitcoin, and right now it could be right again. I mean, it's likely to be right again because the accuracy rate of the 2-day EMA ribbon predicting the trend direction for Bitcoin, unless it swaps around, right, is extremely high. It's like a 99% accuracy rate. So we are right now expecting that there's going to be more bullish momentum for Bitcoin for the coming 3 to 4 months at least here. We're going to see a more relief period for Bitcoin. Q1 2023 is probably going to be very good here. I don't think we're really going to see big crashes, and we're going to be stabilized towards the upside. Maybe it's a bull trap, maybe it is, or maybe it's the end of the bear market. It could be both cases. So right now what I'm doing is preparing for both of them. Currently looking at the technical analysis on the weekly time frame. I mean, this is honestly insane. Bitcoin created, of course, that falling wedge on the weekly time frame. We moved towards the upside, we consolidated towards the downside, and right now we broke the weekly downtrend for Bitcoin last week already, and we're confirming the breakout towards the upside. And if you don't know, a falling wedge is a typical bullish bias pattern for Bitcoin, and it is breaking towards the upside right now here. It is having that significant follow through as well, and the price target of this falling wedge is going to be on the top side of the wedge, with somewhere around 63 to 69,000 US dollars. So make sure to get ready for this. I mean, for me, that's also one of my many reasons why I'm buying so much Bitcoin, especially around this region. I've bought literally the bottom. I've bought Bitcoin on 15.7k. I literally bought the Bitcoin bottom, and I showed this on Twitter as well last time around here. So make sure to get ready. Bitcoin is preparing itself for a next big move, and yeah, for me, it just doesn't make sense to sell my Bitcoin right now. I'm going to keep on buying more, and I'm keep doing my same strategy, and that is dollar cost averaging in towards the market. The legendary support line also providing a significant amount of support. Look at the bands that we're creating from this level, and I've talked about this every single day. So make sure that you get subscribed to the channel right now if you want to stay up to date about my trades and also about all the important technical analysis. Bitcoin, the bull flag is breaking. We're breaking above the swing high, and right now we're running in towards an important level of resistance. If we get rejected, the next level to long Bitcoin is going to be 21.1k here. If we break above it, the next level of resistance is going to be around 25.3k, and the bull flag target is also around 25.3k. So make sure to get ready for this. Thank you so much for watching towards the amazing, very quick update video here on the channel. If you do enjoy it, don't forget to slap up that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.